At Parts for Garage Doors in Houston, we're always open to the public. We sell everything you need for your door, including just about every size of torsion spring that you might be needing for your residential garage door. If you're wanting to upgrade from 1 to 2 springs, or get set up with higher 40,000 cycle springs, our experienced staff can help you do that. Make sure to bring in one of your old springs for comparison, or measure 20 coils on the broken spring, along with the overall length of the coils, not including the end pieces. All measurements must be done on a broken spring or one not under tension. See the link for our how-to video in the description. Please give us a call today, and we'll see you when you get here.